So hey, today we're gonna talk about a different product from Condomounts. Okay, this is the Condomounts fold-up ceiling TV mount, right? Fold-up ceiling TV mount. It's a beautiful mount, a very easily attachable mount. All right, let's open this mount, and when you open this mount, you could see the instructions given. Okay, do remember that this mount right here can only be used for a maximum screen size of 37 inches. Your TV should not be more than 20 kilograms or 44 pounds, right? It is rated to be under 44 pounds. And besides that, this TV mount is only suitable for TV VESA sizes of 75 over 75 or 100 over 100, 200 over 100 or 200 over 200. I mean 200 times 200. So more than that, you cannot attach your TV or LCD onto this mount. Okay, let me just look at what they have provided us here. Okay, this is the actual mount. It looks very easy. All right, it looks simple. It's just one mount and that's it. And besides that, they have also provided us with hex keys which you could use, and I'm going to teach you how to adjust the mount according to your needs. They also have provided us with the wall plugs right here. I don't know what you call it. Okay, wall plugs, the screws, and a lot of other washers and screws that you may or may not use. You don't have to use all this. Okay, it is according to your preference. Okay, let me just teach you how to adjust this TV ceiling mount. It's really cool, right? It's really cool. Okay, firstly, you have these locks here. So whenever you're not watching your TV, okay, like for example, we have attached this mount onto the ceiling right here. So this mechanism right here allows you to lock your TV onto the ceiling, and then when you push up once, it is locked, and when you push twice, you could be able to open the TV to be watched. Okay, again, I'll show it to you again. You push up once, and one more time. Now it's locked. It's locked into place. Look at this little, I don't think you could see it here. It's a little thing that allows you to lock your TV onto place. All right, I'll show you one more time. Okay, push up, bring it down, and then you push up again. It's locked. So your TV is safe right here on your ceiling. Okay, it's a really cool mechanism here. This is just the lock right here. It spins around to make sure we could lock the TV onto place like this, and then when you want to watch, you just pull down the lock, push it once, and pull down the lock down. Next, you could also adjust this mount according to your TV size by adjusting these two bolts right here. Okay, I'll loosen it a bit to just show you, all right, the mechanism involved. Okay, when I loosen this bolt, I am actually able to pull this thing up right until the end. Okay, right until the end, and attach a bigger screen size. You see here, when I pull this down, so it is a smaller screen size. Pull this up like this, and you can attach a bigger screen size. Let me just put it. Yeah, okay, now you could see easily, right? So you could push down or push up like this to make sure you are able to watch a bigger screen size. So this TV mount allows you to attach a TV or a monitor up till 37 inches, and you just attach your TV right here, okay, according to the VESA sizes, these holes, okay, and put your bolts here with the washers, and you are able to watch your TV from the ceiling actually, okay. So here is the part where you attach this mount onto the ceiling. Alright, so that is all for today. I'll see you guys on another video. Remember, this is from Condomounts. You could get it from condomounts.com.my or even from Best Buy or Amazon.